Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. I welcome you all in this video lecture where I'm going to discuss exercise of the chapter number 7, which is the use of force. Now let's move on to the first portion of exercise where I'm going to discuss MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first statement is, who is I in the story? The father, the doctor, the mother, the sick child. So the correct answer is the doctor, because this story is written from the narrative of the doctor. The parents were nervous because they did not want to tell the doctor anything. They did not know what to say. They wanted the doctor to tell them everything. And the last one is, the child did not tell anything. So the correct answer is, the child did not tell them anything. The third statement is, the doctor was impressed by the beauty of the child, by the patience of the child, by the patience of the parents, by the picture of the child. So the correct answer is, by the beauty of the child. The fourth one is, the doctor took a trial shot at it, means he made a wild guess to begin with. He gave her a shot. He took parents to talk. He examined the girl carefully. So the correct answer is, he made a wild guess to begin with. The fifth one is, the doctor feared that the child might be suffering from diphtheria. From the appearance of the child, the parents told him so. From the examination of the child, he guessed because there had been such cases in a local school. So this is the correct answer. The sixth one is, the child did not respond to the doctor's instructions because she was afraid of the doctor. She was a stubborn child. Her parents had tried to open the mouth. And the last one is, she was angry. So the correct answer is, she was a stubborn child. Stubborn का मतलब होता है जिद्दी. The seventh one is, the doctor ground his teeth in anger because the child did not respond. The mother told the girl, he would not hurt you. Option number C is, the parents did not let him handle the child. And the last one is, the child had knocked his glasses. So the correct answer is option number B. The mother told the girl he would not hurt you. The eighth one is, the doctor had almost succeeded in opening the mouth of the girl but failed to see because the child resisted strongly. The parental love made the father to release her at the last moment. And the C one is, the rough handling hurt the child. And the last one is, the mother stopped him. So the correct answer is option number A. The child resisted strongly. So we are done with the first exercise of MCQs. I hope you have understood it very well. Now let's move on to the next portion of exercise where I'm going to discuss true false. Make the statement true or false. The first statement is, the story is about a sick child. True. The second statement is, the parents take the child to the doctor. False. क्योंकि डॉक्टर बच्ची को देखने के लिए खुद घर आया था. The third one is, the doctor is impressed by the innocent beauty of the child. True. The doctor thinks that the girl may be suffering from diphtheria. True. Fifth statement is, the doctor makes a guess because there have been some diphtheria cases in the local schools. True. Next statement is, the girl refuses to open her mouth for examination. True. The seventh statement is, parents joined the doctor in opening her mouth. True. And the last statement is, they succeeded in opening her mouth. True. So we are done with the exercise of true and false as well. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you.